skirts together so you can sew it. And you're just going to sew here next, go back to your piece, and you're going to need to cut a 3-inch wide or 4, depending on the thickness of the waistband that you like. I'm just eyeballing it, but you basically are cutting your waistband. All the way up to the top. Now you need to determine, depending on your pattern, which side you want to be the front and which side you want to be the back. Mine is identical, so it doesn't matter. But you're then going to, on the back seam, find the center and cut a straight line down about 5 inches, because this is where you're going to insert your zipper before you add your waistband. For me. I want the skirt snatched. So what I do is line up the ends and I place a pin to act as a temporary closure. So now you can see the wiggle room you have. From there, I try to grip 2 even amounts that line up with my body, but giving it where I can still breathe a comfortable amount, and I pin that. You want to also make sure that you have your skirt on inside out while you're doing this. So, as you can see, it has like a flap that we've pinned on both sides to snatch it in on the waist. So there's no longer this huge gap anymore. This is also the time to get the sides of the skirt to fit how you like as well. And to do that, because right now it's kind of baggy, to do that, I grab the side seams until I feel it close to my body and place a pin. You're on a timeout. Alright, so if I pin back the flap pieces, you can kind of see where the skirt's going to be going once it's pinned together. So now you want to undo the pin in the back, take it off slowly because of the pins, and before you run it through your sewing machine, just make sure it all lines up still and isn't bunchy. Once you have that done, go ahead and sew in your darts here. Follow the guides that you pinned with your pins, and then you're going to want to sew your waistband onto the skirt. On the other shirt, so you can see where you want your jacket to be cropped at, I am the top of my skirt is, and I'm gonna mark it with a pin. Right up the center, because it's gonna be a jacket. Baby inside out, and you can either put it on your mannequin if you have one, or use yourself. All right guys, so this is the top on inside out. It's cute, it's just baggy. I'm going for a more tailored and fitted look, similar to how I did the skirt. So what I'm going to do in this dress form, you can do it on yourself. I normally do, depending on how lazy I am, but for teaching purposes, I am going to show you on the dress form. So make sure your jacket is inside out. You're going to need pins, lots of them. So what I like to start off doing is closing the jacket with pins. So the center of it doesn't shift. Place a few pins in places where no matter where I tug, this center line is going to stay the same. So I'm placing a few pins through the shirt, through the mannequin, so the center seam stays where it is. Okay. So now it's literally just a game of grabbing and pin till it fits the shape you want. So the easiest place to start is the side seams. And I take them both equally and just keep going, grabbing fabric until I get up to the mannequin where I can feel it. And I place a pin. And you do this to the tightness that you want. If you want it super fitted, you can do what I'm doing. If you want it to be a little breathing room, you know, you can consider that when you're pinning. But me, I want it super snug and tailored. So I'm just gonna do this all throughout the top. Alright guys, so now there's still a bit of bagginess in the front that I would like to conceal. So I'm just going to grab that and follow the natural curve up the mannequin to place a dart. Okay. So right here you'll see a flap that was formed from me pinning it almost at an angle, and that's the two darts that we've done here on the sides. And you can also see what I've pinned under the arm to take it in up to the sleeve. You want to go ahead and sew those areas once you take it off the mannequin, the two sides and the darts, and then you're going to want to hem the bottom of your jacket.